Is it easy for you to sell digital product? I have to answer. Let's talk about digital product. I know you've heard and seen people talk about digital product. I have a few digital products. In case you're new here, hi, I am Sarah. I work from home for about 4 to 5 years now. I mostly talk about working from home and online jobs. And I have a few digital products. If you go on my website, I'll put a screenshot here. I have a few digital products. I have 2 ebooks, a course, and a consultation. Now these 3 products, my course and 2 ebooks, those are my digital products. And consultation, I don't usually consider it as a digital product because I have to be there for me to earn. It's a consultation. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, it's there. So how easy is it for me to sell these digital products? Guys, it's very easy for me to sell the academic writing ebook and the academic writing course. Why? Because on this channel, if you check, I mostly talk about academic writing, how I started, how I make money, how to get jobs, where to get jobs. It's easy for me to sell those digital products, those 2. But for social media management, I don't talk about it so much, and it's not easy for me to sell that ebook. I actually sell that ebook to those people who talk to me one-on-one, and I show them this is how you do, this is how social media is done, and a few things. That's when I am able to sell that product. So what do I want to say? Is it easy for you to sell digital product? I have 2 answers. It's a yes and a no. If we just come from anywhere, create digital product, and especially here in Kenya. In other countries, there are platforms where you can sell your digital product. If you're here in Kenya, here's the digital product, it's so hard for people to buy. Even here, of course, some people pia wanakwanga zile za are you sure? Pia hiyo ebook, some people ni must wakuje kwa inbox yangu before they buy. So if you're here in Kenya and you want to create digital products, you have to put yourself out there first. Mtu hawezi toka tu from anywhere create digital products na anze kuzipush on TikTok, on Instagram. Yes, you can, but it will be very hard for you. You can start now pushing ads on YouTube, on Instagram, or even getting influencers to push your product. But hakuna mtu anakujua. They don't even have a proof that you can do that thing. Yeah, you have to put yourself out there. Put yourself out there. Even for me, the few products that I have ever bought, ni kwanza ni watch your msee, nione yes, they know what they're saying. They understand what is it that they're talking about. And I'm convinced if I get this ebook, if I get this product, I'll get what I want for sure. So kama uko hapa Kenya and you want to start having your digital products, ama kuuza your digital products, start with putting yourself out